Hey everyone, just want to make a midday video lesson here. Just gonna go over my trade of the day. Finally got a good trade off in the week. Didn't size up. Well, actually, let's just jump into it. Areb. I saw low float, low market cap, perking and holding, and it had some support slash resistance levels, breakout levels around 180 and 170. So let it develop, held the breakout level pretty well, came back, held the VWAP. So I kind of have three patterns lined up here. I got the VWAP hold, I got a breakout play, and I also got a high day break as well. So I thought there was some solid strength with this as it was failing to break down. And just remembering yesterday with Rev B, the lesson was keep it simple, let it develop, let it hold trend, don't overthink, gauge the volume and how it's holding up and whatnot. And with solid patterns, you could get solid moves. So I thought similar thing here, even though it's a different pattern, not a bounce play. This one is a breakout. I was just staying calm through this whole perk. I was getting in, sizing into this little move here, seeing that as confirmation. Then so we got this quick move higher. Could have probably sold, made quick 20%. Um, but it failed to break down, and I was really looking for the 194 high break to hold. It tapped a little bit below. It's not an exact science, so it barely budged right below 193, 194, or 192. Then we come right back. So here I get excited. Should have probably been a place to add some, but I was good with my position and entry. I didn't want to overdo it because past few days, some red days, and yesterday was a bad one, so I don't want to let it get out of hand. So let's just take our quick singles and let them add up and not size in too much now. So we get this solid perk higher, it's holding up, and at this point it's just failing to crack to the 205, 206. It's just holding up, making a higher low. Some more volume kind of comes in, and that takes it off from 210 to 250. Just a parabolic move, just amazing. You got the low float, rotating the float just multiple times over. No need to worry about demand. Just need to worry about trend at that point because if trend was not in his favor, all that volume would be probably in the favor of shorts. A lot of shorts bagging it. So yeah, that's Areb kind of going over the breakout play, having things line up, getting all your ducks lined up in a row. We got a solid trend here, low float, beautiful breakout on the daily chart. So I thought it had a bunch of things going for it. Just wanted to keep things simple. So let's just jump into other stuff now. Rcat, top watch now. Ideally, it doesn't make a move today. I would love for it to make it tomorrow. But of course, we risk pre-market, this thing just taking off. But I would, still plenty of day left. This thing could come back, break 230s, and take off to the 280s. Who knows? But I really don't want it to go off without me, and I'm done for the day. So I would really like for this to wait till tomorrow. Other plays today, SONN, another pretty good call here, just very, very choppy. I was looking at this failure to keep breaking down 45 and making higher lows. I thought it could be a solid open price play right around 50 cents, as well as a VWAP reclaim. You get a solid nearly 25%, or yeah, it got up 15 cents. So yeah, that's 30%. So that's a beautiful play right there. Um, yeah, so that one choppy, took it off my radar. Looking at other things like Areb, but this one as well. You got the higher flow. Yeah, but it's because of the price. It's doing insane volume, rotating it many times over. So this thing could possibly, if this confirms the 60 cent pre-market high break, this thing could take off. Who knows? 75, a dollar, I don't know. But I was looking at this early on for failure to break down. Just totally missed this one. What else was going off today? Not a whole ton, honestly, going on. My main watches today were Rcat and Seed, but Seed didn't have any volume, so that sucks. And then this popped up on my radar early on, and from there, main watch kind of became this one. This is all alerted on Twitter. Anyone could have profited off these calls. Sonn. This is another good looking play here, possibly for later on or tomorrow. You got that 132 multi-day break, or if it keeps failing to crack one, this could be a nice VWAP play to test that level and ideally head higher. Still bringing in some decent volume, not compared to yesterday, but just in general compared to the history here. So yeah, let's not let this get too long of a video. Just want to go over my trade, learning from the past couple days, sizing down, keeping things simple, just taking quick gains. I guess today wasn't really that quick, but it was holding trend. It was doing everything I wanted. Great pattern, and this is it. These plays come in moves, so you get this or in waves. You get this wave here, fails to break down, invites the second wave, fails to break down again, and then you got to start really gauging the volume, because once it starts getting overextended on the volume and unable to maintain that volume, it starts topping out. But here we get this other wave here, and it's still holding up, but it is really looking like it's the backside now. I could totally be wrong. Who knows? This thing is a low float. If this keeps failing to break down around 190s, who knows? This could come back and fuck shorts up. But yeah, just wanted to go over it. Rcat potential play for a bounce play, coming back to high day break or the red to green move. This is these long wicks here just really showing it's having a hard time getting lower, and that is starting to kind of coil back and hold up and try to bounce. So we'll see if it's today or tomorrow. Ideally, it doesn't take off without me, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, we'll make another video lesson later going over how the day ends. I doubt I'll have another trade, but yeah, please like and subscribe to the channel and the video. As usual, some good information out there on Twitter. Got a lot of good calls. Just learning what we see. Some of them, obviously, you can't all work out. Here we go. Just beautiful play. Where's my... If you want some live streams, you got Tradecaster there. You sign up to that and find us there for some live streams. But yeah, just going over here. Got some watches just going along. Just showing you what I kind of do. Top plays here. Rcat might be a good one. Pally ended up failing. I'll go over that. Why not, actually? So this thing, gap up, thought we could, and it was getting up to the 160s pre-market, so I was thinking if this could fail to break down and break the pre-market high, at 165, we could really get a move on, but momentum was just not there at all. Got a quick little bounce here, but it just gets stuffed and fails to keep holding VWAP in the open price, so it ends up failing, and huge failure. Now below 1 it gets to, so that's crazy. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it. Look out for another video lesson later on. I'll post a watch list on Twitter later on. Yeah, so if this was useful, you learned anything, got anything away from this, just please like and subscribe and follow us for more of this content. Hope everyone has a great rest of the trading day, and we'll catch you later.